In the bustling city of Tokyo, a fashion brand called Grid has taken the world by storm. But it's not your average brand. The secret to its success? Generative AI. The brand uses artificial intelligence to design, produce, and sell unique clothing items. No two pieces are the same. Each one is a work of art created by a machine. This is the first way to get ahead in the AI commerce revolution, embracing AI creativity. By leveraging the power of AI, businesses can offer a new level of customization and uniqueness that sets them apart from the competition. Meanwhile, in the tech hub of Silicon Valley, a startup called OpenAI has developed a language model called GPT-3. It's capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Businesses are utilizing this technology to enhance their customer service, creating AI chatbots that can understand and respond to customer inquiries in real time. This is the second way to get ahead, enhancing customer experience with AI. By implementing AI in customer service, businesses can provide instant support, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Halfway across the world in Stockholm, a music tech company named Amper Music is using AI to compose original music. Their technology allows anyone to create a unique soundtrack for their video content within minutes. This is the third way to get ahead, democratizing creativity with AI. By making creative tools more accessible, businesses can empower their users, fostering a community of creators and driving engagement. To sum up, the future of commerce lies in embracing AI creativity, enhancing customer experience with AI, and democratizing creativity with AI. These are not just strategies, they're game changers. They have the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate, creating a new era of commerce where AI is not just a tool, but a partner. By leveraging the power of generative AI, businesses can offer products and services that are not only unique but also cater to the individual needs and preferences of their customers. They can provide instant support and foster a community of creators, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. The generative AI commerce revolution is here. It's time to rethink, reimagine, and redefine the future of commerce. Because the future isn't just about buying and selling, it's about creating.